You may believe you have perfect skin, but have you ever been let down by a close-up look at the mirror? You suddenly start to notice those unappealing tiny black bumps that seem to have become chronic survivors on your skin. Blackheads. They are most likely to develop in areas such as the chest, back, neck, cheeks, and nose. These pesky bumps make the appearance of the skin look dull and lifeless, hiding the smooth and pristine texture of the skin underneath. Concealing these under layers of makeup is definitely not the solution, but determining the core reason and resolving it will help to keep the skin free of blackheads. But before we get there, let's understand what precisely are these uninvited bumps and how do they form. Blackheads are a common skin condition and are a type of comedo. Comedones form when the skin's pores become clogged with dead skin cells and an oily substance that the skin secretes known as sebum. When the top of the blackhead, which is visible on the skin's surface, reacts with oxygen, it turns black, forming a blackhead. The reason for black formation can vary from person to person. Below are some key facts that can help you diagnose the cause of blackheads to ensure relevant treatment and flaunt clear skin. Pore blockage by cosmetics or clothing. Calling it a night with makeup on your face. Certainly not a good idea. This can cause the pores to get blocked. As the skin beneath cannot breathe, it provides an ideal environment for the formation of blackheads. Removing makeup and dirt from your face before going to bed is not optional, but there's an easy solution. Apply some green tea face cleansing butter to dissolve makeup in seconds and get clear and soft skin. Wearing synthetic clothing also prevents the skin from breathing, causing blackheads to develop. Following a consistent CTM routine is vitally important in order to keep up skin health and a clear skin glow. Profuse sweating. Poor skin hygiene can certainly contribute to the development of those nasty black bumps. Sweating excessively can block skin pores, causing the blackhead condition to affect the skin. So don't forget to shower every time you sweat it out. Excessive scrubbing. You may think that scrubbing away rigorously will help get rid of those pesky bumps, but the ugly truth is, excessive scrubbing can damage the skin's barrier, thus clogging it with dead skin and dirt. Exfoliation should be gentle and should not be done daily to keep the skin's barrier intact. Using heavy skincare products. Another reason that can cause blackheads is using heavy skincare products. This results in the secretion of excessive sebum, leading to the formation of blackheads. It's time you use lightweight, oil-free moisturizers that will keep dryness at bay without making it oily. Stress. Stress is a major factor that contributes to poor skin health. It may not directly cause the skin to deteriorate, but it can certainly worsen the symptoms. It disrupts the hormonal balance, resulting in increased sebum production, causing blackheads. Setting aside time for meditation can help in calming not just your mind, but also your skin. Humidity. A humid environment calls for some extra attention to skincare in order to keep blackheads at bay. While humidity causes the skin to become greasy and secrete extra sebum, it also provides a favorable setting for the formation of blackheads. As a result, sticking to the right CTM routine becomes critical for preventing blackheads from appearing. Hormonal shifts. Hormonal changes are a common cause of the production of blackheads. This stimulates sebum production, creating the ideal habitat for blackheads to form. It is a good idea to keep track of lifestyle changes in order to maintain healthy skin. Now that we've looked at all the cases of blackheads, let's understand how to tackle them. If you are somebody who has been struggling with blackheads, then this is your guide to loving a blackhead-free, clear skin glow. Among other treatments that can effectively remove pesky blackheads, exfoliation is one of the powerful techniques that can help to get blackhead-free skin. There are a million skincare products out there that promise to get rid of those pesky little bumps on the skin. However, Coffee Face Scrub with Walnut offers a caffeinated solution that can significantly transform what is referred to as orange peel skin into a clear, smooth complexion. Coffee Face Scrub with Walnut. For those who struggle with these nasty visitors that pop up every few days, your search for the right blackhead treatment ends here. Caffeine to your skin's rescue. Caffeine can not only save your day, but it can also save your skin from blackheads. Coffee Face Scrub with Walnut will replace all of those exfoliants on your skincare shelf with just some caffeinated love. It is crafted to gently exfoliate the skin while nourishing and removing tan too. 100% pure Arabica, coffee and caffeine combined with Power Exfoliator Walnut deeply exfoliate and scrub away dead skin cells, gently getting rid of blackheads. pro-vitamin B5 conditions, moisturizes and polishes skin for post-exfoliation care and softness, leaving behind that extra glow and shine. The heavenly coffee aroma only adds to the exfoliation experience and uplifts mood instantly. How to use. Step 1. Apply scrub on a clean, damp face and spread it to the neck, avoiding any contact with the eyes. Step 2. Gently scrub in circular motions for 1 minute and wash off with cold water. Step 3. Pat dry and follow it with the application of Coffee Face Moisturizer. Step 4. For best results, use it twice a week. Apart from the amazing exfoliation benefits this scrub offers, the Coffee Face Scrub with Walnut gives you just enough reasons to be the hero of your skincare routine. It is PETA certified, 100% vegan, paraben-free, SLS-free, dermatologically tested, FDA approved, silicone-free, made safe and made in India. Choosing the correct exfoliant is crucial, but so is knowing how to use a face scrub. Give the Coffee Face Scrub with Walnut a shot and permanently get rid of those pesky blackheads in just 2 easy steps. So what are you waiting for? Go exfoliate and glow.